fighter, fake. Yeah, 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 yeah.
That's impressive how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah.
Let me pull my diamond tester out. Counterfeit. Better keep my name up out of mouth. They been trying. If it's beef, then let me know. Baby, why you hiding it? And I heard about you. Bitch, like you. We all know that cat is.
Let's get this install started. Don't play with Alipearl because, baby, look how this wig came straight out the box, y'all. It's pre-plucked. It's pre-plucked. What? Look at the lace. HD is giving HD vibes. But anyway, this is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It comes with an elastic band. You can wear it glueless if you like. She is 24 inches. And of course, this is their balayage unit. Look at the color. She was super duper soft and silky straight out that pack. I kid you not. So today I'm installing her straight out the box. I ain't doing nothing but tinting it, okay? And this is the Kiss Lace Tinting Spray in the shade light warm brown. So we're going to go ahead and put the wig on. And look at her. Look at her. Look how beautiful she looks. And no, I did not bleach the knots, y'all. We're going to install it like such. But I'm going in with a little bit of wax. And we're just going to go ahead and hot comb that hairline. Because if anything, that hairline, that hair, that middle part, everything around that needs to be freaking laid. But look how natural the hairline looks. Alipearl, y'all did that. Because it looks super duper natural. It looks so freaking good. On the back of my head, I'm just going to create a part just so it won't give us helmet head. The way I had my mirror angled, it was still kind of giving helmet head, but we're going to fix that later. My key to having a super duper laid bust down middle part, you got to add that hairspray, okay? I use Sebastian hairspray, and what I'm telling you is going to have everything sitting and looking super duper good. You have to try this combo. Wax and a little bit of that hairspray. It's going to set it off. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take some scissors and remove the lace, okay? I'm trying to cut as raggedy as possible because I feel like that just helps your wig look very much natural. And then when it comes down to fitting the lace around my ear, I like to create a part and follow that part just so it can fit perfectly around my ear. We're going to get started with the install process. I'm just going in with my Lace Bond Adhesive Spray by Kiss. And we're just going to spray a couple of layers in the center. And then we're going to work on the side. Now we're going to take our blow dryer on a cool heating setting. And we're going to allow that to get tacky, okay? Once it's tacky, touch your finger, tap it, okay? If your finger kind of gets stuck, it is ready to lay down. So we're going to go ahead and pull that lace forward, and you're going to align it, and you're going to press that lace down, okay? Y'all going to see what I mean when I tell y'all don't stretch the lace too much, because I did it on my left side, and it was giving crinkle cut for fry. I was very disappointed in myself. As you guys can see, I'm pulling back on my lace, and you guys see that the lace did not take, okay? All of it did not lay down. So you're just going to pull it back up, and you're just going to re-adhere everything back, because sometimes that happens. Sometimes the product dries quicker than other areas. That's why I say work in smaller sections, okay? Because if you're working big, you're going to risk this happening. So we're just going to pull that back down, and we're just going to also have our comb, and we're going to press the back of our comb into our forehead as well. And it's about to be looking good, y'all. Well, this side anyway, because the other side end up jacked up. Now, sometimes I see that certain pieces just don't need to be there because it's getting too close to my brows. So we're just going to trim that off, and we're just going to stick that back down. Now we're going in with our eBay New York Lace Bond Melting Spray. We're going to spray this on the outside of this lace. Now, this was my first time using this product on this lace, so I was like, I don't know how I feel about it yet. I needed a little bit more blend Y'all see that little line of demarcation? Yeah, we trying to get rid of that. And like I said, it's the lighting too. Certain lighting just makes it look different, okay? But trust and believe, I'm not gonna go out the house looking crack. So I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna place this beautiful band. Like, this band was the prettiest band that I ever seen, okay? This Alipearl, where's the band at? Hold on, y'all, let me clip all this up. This Alipearl lacy band, baby, it's got little sparkles in there. It's giving us New Year's Eve vibe. It's giving that. It's so cute. But anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle the hair, and baby, I just wanted to wear it straight. I kid you not. Look at the highlights. I love the different shades of blondes. I see a little hint of silvery gray up in there with the brown. Oh baby, she eating. But look at this, y'all. Do y'all not see how on this side right here, my left side, it ended up wrinkling? I was like, oh hey. So to solve that situation with that wrinkliness on the other side, I'm just gonna do some baby hairs today. Now look at this. This look like scalp. It look like I'm scratching dandruff out of my head, but it's just that lace melt from Eben. And I just had to comb that out because it was crusty. Now I'm just taking my shears and cut it at an angle so we can go ahead and do these baby hairs. And y'all, I forgot my 1-inch flat iron to do my baby hair, so we just gonna use this little teeny tiny curling iron. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I be scared I'd be burning myself. But I love this curling iron because the curling iron actually rotates. You know how sometimes you have to actually physically rotate it? This curling iron, it moves. I don't know how to explain it. I think you guys can see it. Look at it. Like the curling iron itself, I'm just turning the curling iron and not really having to do it. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't. Okay. I don't. But I like it. So now I'm just going in with a little bit of my 𝚑𝚑𝚒𝚑 spray. I don't know what I saw over there. We're just going to try to form these baby hairs, y'all. I struggled with my baby hairs this day, so I didn't even film me doing this, all of it, because it was getting on my nerves. So boom, baby hairs did. Now we're gonna go ahead and define our part. I'm just using my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the shade level 12, and I do mix the 2 shades. And look at this. This just woke that part right on up. That part said, arise, arise, I am here. Cause yes, huh? Y'all see that? Y'all see how like the subtlest difference will make your wig install look 20 times better? Because sometimes it be looking rough, but you got to trust the process. Baby girl, you got to trust the process. So I'm just spraying a little bit more of this spray so I can do my little Humpty Dumps, my little bumps in the front for that personality. Y'all know I love, love, love that. Baby, when I say this eats, she eats, because what? Like, I didn't even flat iron her. This is straight out the box, y'all. I just brushed her in blaze. And she gave me this. Oh, I love her. I love her straight. I wanted to be a little extra and see what it would give with some curls. And I cut layers in the hair. Now, I messed up the left side. I don't know what was going on with my left side of the head, but the layers I cut over there was jacked up. But now I'm just taking a little bit of BioSilk and I'm just going to place it throughout the hair. I don't know why I forgot my heat protectant. I don't know if this product says just heat protectant, but we're just gonna put a little bit of that, just a dime size. I rub it through all out the hair. So I'm gonna take my T3 curling iron and we're gonna do some curls, and we're gonna do them away from our face on both sides. Now when it comes to the curl game, on my left side I can do my curls super duper well, like just I can do it amazingly. But when that comes on to the right side, baby, them curls, I be struggling. I don't know what be going on. But look at this pretty curl. So I'm gonna set it with some hairspray. You can also use 𝚑𝚑𝚒𝚑, but 𝚑𝚑𝚒𝚑 be getting a little too hard and crunchy for me, so I do that at the end. But I'm just gonna pin it up, and I fast forwarded this because I know y'all get the gist. Okay, y'all get the gist. Y'all seen a million times people curl their hair, and I ain't want to bore y'all. I added a little spray, then I add my clip-ins with my little pins, and yeah, this is pretty much what I do throughout the entire head. so now we're gonna take them out, and that is gonna be the end of the video. Like, these curls were super duper cute, and I love this method of setting the curls and allowing them to completely cool down. Now, y'all know me, I don't like tight curls anyway. I feel like the tight curls were cute. I did forget I didn't have my wide tooth comb with me this day, so I ended up having to, you know, use my hands to detangle the curls. And, you know, I just like loose curls in general, so that's just what it is. But the curls, honey, if you didn't wipe them out with your hands, baby, they would have stayed in for some time. But y'all see me just going through it and pulling them out because I really don't like tight curls. But yeah. This is how the hair turns out. I would give this unit a 10 out of 10. I kid you not, y'all. This wig has been in my head since I installed it. It is still sitting in my head as this voiceover. I think it's been about like 4 or 5 days now, and I ain't take this wig off yet. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys are interested in this wig, I will leave all the information in regards to it down below. And until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.